In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Eneba account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their website, eneba.com, and then unfortunately, there's no way to do this inside your account, so you're going to have to contact their support by going down here to the very bottom, and then on the left, it says Contact Us. Click on that, and then click on Create Ticket Now, and then here, you want to click on Account, and then over here, it doesn't say anything, so click on Create a Ticket. And here you want to put in your order email and then your payment method. And then after you've done this, click on continue. And here you want to basically select your language and your contact email address. And then where it says anything to add, you want to provide in important details. That means you want to let them know you would like to essentially delete your account and if they can please help you with that because you don't want to have it anymore. So after you do this, press on create a ticket and then they'll get back to you and tell you what you can do to actually delete your account and help you do that as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.